Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the floor plan and ceiling plan. You can see here in the project browser, this first option is our floor plan and this one is our ceiling plan. Then this one is 3D and elevation. So basically I just wanted to tell you what is the difference between this floor and ceiling plan. So basically when you just look from the top to bottom. Right. Just this currently we are just looking. This one is our floor plan. See, currently we are just in the level one, and this one is our floor plan. Right. Basically, for the floor plan, we just look from the top to bottom. Right. And in the ceiling plan, we just look from bottom to top. Right. So let me show you. So you can see this each. I just make a random home. Right. So for this, if you just look for the floor plan, then you just look at this bottom, right? At the lower level, what it you can just look the floor. And if you just look ceiling uh for this level only, then you just need to look up. You can just look up for the ceiling, right? That's the basic difference between the floor and ceiling.